Okay, here we are, January 5th at 1433, Rolling Fairways, Mr. James Turner. This is the Maui G. We're just outside having a look. Going to pop in here in just a second and see what the interior has in store for us. Alright, here we are. It looks like they've recently come in and placed the carpet down. So there'll be a lot of little finishing touches that they still need to make. But, let's see, do we have electricity yet? Oh, look at there. Electricity. So we have the diagonally laid tile in the bathroom. We're downstairs in guest bath as well. Well, this is an ensuite. It serves as a guest bath. Beautiful, huh? Let's have a quick peek in the garage. There's your hybrid water heater over there. Oh, so over here, this shower, I forgot to mention, so they still have to place, there's going to be glass right here. It goes down on that lip and up. Beautiful tile work. So the fridge isn't slid all the way in, they're probably just connecting the water line to the ice maker. Beautiful. So basically, we still have to come through here and inspect the home. There'll be two inspections. There'll be, we'll probably have John Weaver of Cornerstone Building Analysis. We'll have him come through first as a professional to view it and find any kind of flaws, anything wrong with the property. Here's air handler 1. You have 2 air handlers in here. Here's a nice closet. Plenty of storage space here for you. This will be, put a lock on here, or it already has a lock, sorry. It's going to be your owner's closet. I would put a deadbolt on here too, probably, if it were my stuff. Here we have another downstairs bedroom. This is like the master downstairs, basically. So you probably remember we walked through here before. You've got the diagonally laid tile in the bathroom. It's a nice cabana bath as well. His and her sink. Wow, this is beautiful, guys. Looking nice. So they still have to finish up the tile work on the bath here. So here, this shower here, we were in bath 1 a minute ago. So this is what it's missing. So you'll see here, basically down there at the lip at the shower pan, and I'll have that glass fixture up there for you. So garden style tub here. Then the bath, the water closet closes away for privacy, and then this here, of course, this is your bungalow bath part where this goes out. Oh look, there's water in the pool. Got your pool cover on. The spa doesn't have water in it yet. Wow, I bet you guys are just itching to get over here. We're really close, getting really close here. So you'll see things like this blue tape. So that marks an imperfection, probably somewhere up there. And so they're going to go through, the builder's going to go through first and touch up their imperfections, and then we'll have our professional come through, and then I'll come through after the home inspector. After the home inspector comes through, I'll come through with his list and find anything else, and then we'll give that back to the builder. The builder will come back through and finish up, touch up all of the imperfections in here. And then we'll do another walkthrough to assure that the builder has touched up all of the imperfections, and then we'll close. All right, let's pop upstairs and have a look. So here you have your spindle work here. Carpeted stairs. You got the borders here. We call that baseboard down there. You guys call it something else. But beautiful. Carpet all throughout. Okay, so let's go this time to the right. So right here is that second air handler I was pointing out. So you have an air handler for downstairs and an air handler upstairs, because this is quite a large home. And then you have this room here. If you go through here, there's a bath. This is a Jack and Jill, as we call it. Got another his and her sink. This comes through to another bedroom, and then out into the common area. If you look down here, this is the loft looking down on the stairs. So now we're going toward the front of the home. Here's another bedroom here. Looking out here. Here's our media room. Here's our bath. So this bath would service that bedroom directly across from us here, because that one doesn't have a bath, as well as a guest room for the media room here. Then we have another bedroom here, and of course this has a Jack and Jill bath, which takes you through to another bedroom. Boy, lots of beautiful granite in here. Very nice, very nice. Got a nice pocket door here. I love these pocket doors. And then one more bedroom. And then through here, this would be the final bedroom here, I believe. Okay. Oh, sorry. Here, forgot to point out. Here's the washer and dryer. See if they've got that. Yep, they got a full-size washer and dryer here already. All right. So let's go outside and have a look at the exterior and pool one more time. All right. I failed to mention earlier, they've already got the sod placed here. Now it looks a bit lumpy right now, but after a while, after a few months, it'll even out with some rain. You've got your landscape package already in place, so you've got some shrubs here, which of course are small right now, but they will grow substantially. And then of course you've got a beautiful magnolia tree. This puts off a lovely large white flower that has a kind of a citrus / gardenia smell to it. So there we are. We're looking at all the lines, the curves, and shapes. Beautiful, beautiful package, the Maui G. So pop over here on the left. They've just completed this house on the right of us here as well. So there's your exterior units and compressors for your upstairs and downstairs unit. You've got two of those, as you would have the air handlers. This right here, this is your heater for the pool. Got all that stuff here, and then right here's all the pool equipment, the pool pump and filter. All right, so looking in the back, you've got your pad here. You should have one on the other side. And then here is the dry bed. Basically right here, this is the property line. So everything from here on, this will all be mulched in as well. And then the HOA will take care of that, of course, in addition to your property right here. Let's have a look at the back. Beautiful house, James, beautiful house. All right, and you can see, wow, look at the difference. Look at that pool compared to how far out your pool comes. Quite a difference, huh? Same over there with that pool. So probably that one's a finished one. This will give us a better idea. See how far yours comes out. That's a nice pool. Alright guys, this is Roger Hutchins on behalf of the Jerry Barker Group. Thanks for watching and congratulations on your lovely home.